welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month I designed some travel and beach themed sticker sheets and 2 matching printables. I really like these travel and beach vibes. These travel and beach items like beach chairs, beach balls, coconut tree, ice cream, seashells, cameras, fancy drinks, hats, and suitcases make me look forward to exciting adventures. Here is a new printable I made that includes many monthly headers and the days of the week labels. It's a matching set with my travel stickers. I also made this mini months and the days of the week sticker sheet in pink, so I can easily use them to match my theme colors. In this setup, I'm also going to use some other design elements that I bought before. In this deco paper box, there are many travel maps and decorative items. It's so fun to look at these detailed decorative papers. Another one is a pack of travel deco papers. There are different colors and textures on the papers. I really like these designs. Lastly, I'm going to use a neutral color washi tape set from Shop Amanda Richley. Now let's get started. This month I decided to use watercolor to paint some background colors on the pages. I'm creating some vibes like car trips, traveling on the road to watch the sunset, or sand beaches. I'm using this Orchard and Olive dotted journal notebook. These papers are fine with the light wash watercolor and won't leak through to the other side. I'm continuing to paint the watercolor background on the pages I will decorate today. This is my monthly calendar page. If you want to try these watercolor backgrounds, remember to put a piece of paper underneath to prevent paint from getting onto the next few pages. Please leave your comments down below. I really appreciate your feedback on my videos and the channel. Please show some love and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful. I'm really grateful for your support. It means the world to me. Also, please remember click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. After I finish the few pages, I'm adding more colors on the previous pages for more saturation. I'm creating a sunset feeling for these pages. If you want more bullet journal ideas, check out my Pinterest board. I have a whole section for bullet journal ideas there. The link is also in the description. Please check out my Instagram if you like. I post every page from my bullet journals there. I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable and some other free printables like the 2-page self-care planner, sunset-themed planner printable, the mood tracker, and much more that I made for you too. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. After I finish all the backgrounds, I put some scrap paper between the pages. Then put a heavy book on top of the notebook to let the papers dry out. After about 10 minutes, the watercolor finished drying. See how pretty these colors are. Now I can create my July cover page. I'm using decorative papers to lay out this cover page. It's so fun to place these cute travel decorative elements and the stickers on the paper. I'm writing the July title using this red brush pen. Adding some more cute stickers. That's all for this cover page. Next is my July monthly calendar setup. I'm using an ink pen to draw the whole calendar. I found this layout inspiration from Pinterest. The calendar looked like a folded map. Isn't it such a fun look? I probably should have drawn a very faint map in the center, so it will look even more like a real map. Then I'm using a light gray mild liner to draw some shades in the folded lines and the bottom of the calendar. I'm writing the July title using a brown brush pen. Then I'm using these pink mini days of the week stickers to add the week titles. I'm using travel textured paper and some stickers to add some decoration on the left page. On the right page, I'm adding some gray lines for notes. Then writing the dates for each day. That's it for this monthly calendar. Next is the weekly plan page. I'm drawing 4 boxes in the center. Cutting out the header stickers from the Travel Fun Printable. Adding a piece of washi tape to the top center of the boxes. Then adding the title to the top of the washi tape. Sticking some Love Travel stickers. Adding a drop shadow on the box. Then writing the dates for each week. That's it. Next is the travel plans. I'm creating 3 boxes using an ink pen. Sticking 3 washi tapes on the top of each box. I'm cutting 3 printable header stickers to add titles for each box. There are travel plans, must visit, and the things to do. This spread makes me so excited for the vacation that we are going on soon. Finally, I'm sticking some cute stickers as well. Here are my packing list pages. First, I'm drawing 8 boxes for writing different categories. They look like many photos scattered around these 2 pages. It's so fun to have the freedom to design and set up bullet journal spreads myself. Adding a title on the top of the page. Drawing some drop shadows. Then writing the categories for each box. I'm adding bullet points first, so it will be much easier to write down my items. Have you made a packing list spread before? What's the most important category for you? Lastly is my travel diary page. I'm drawing 6 lines for each page. Since I know I'm going on this vacation for 10 days, I'm dividing these 2 pages into 10 spaces. Then decorating the pages using my beach printable stickers. It is so exciting to look at these beach theme stickers. This is the final flip through. I hope you will get some inspiration for your own journal or planners. Please check out these travel and the beach things printables and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using them as much as I do. Stay tuned for my next video on my travel weekly spread setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!